Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So friends, what we will study today? So today's topic is instant messaging. So in last lecture we have seen about introduction about it, then what is instant messaging. उसके साथ साथ हम लोगों ने देखा था what are some instant messaging applications which are used commonly. So आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं working with an instant messaging client and general rules and etiquettes for chatting. So let's get started with that point. So हम लोगों ने उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखा था. That is what is instant messaging. It is an online chat service using the instant message application. उसके की फीचर्स देखे थे हम लोगों ने. की फीचर्स ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग हम लोगों ने देखे थे. Then common instant messaging applications we have seen. Now we are seeing working with an instant messaging client. देखिए, so in this section we will learn to use an instant messaging client. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, that is we will learn to work with Google Hangout client. So देखिए, अभी आपके सिलेबस में जो दिया है वो गूगल टॉक दिया हुआ है, बट द गूगल टॉक was discontinued in 2015 and Hangouts took over its place since. So the Google Talk app for Windows was shut down on February 23, 2015. So that if you try to sign in for the, or if you try to use the Google Talk app, you will see a sign in error. So we can use the Hangouts instead of the Google Talk. So Google Talk की जगह हम लोग Hangouts जो है उसका यूज कर सकते हैं. That is to keep chatting with your contacts, you can use the Hangouts options. So now what we will do, students, we can use the same account that we used for the Google Talk to sign in the Hangouts applications. So you, whatever the contacts are there from the Google Talk, that will show up automatically in the Hangouts application also. So working with an instant messaging client. So जैसे कि हम लोगों ने मेंशन किया था, that is as mentioned earlier, that is we will use the instant messaging client Google Hangouts को कैसे यूज करना है हम लोग देखेंगे in this session, and let us quickly know what it is. So Google Hangouts देखेंगे हम लोग पहले. I will open my notepad. I will press chatting on an instant messaging client. Okay. So what we are going to talk about, Google Hangouts के बारे में हम लोग देखते हैं. So Google Hangouts is a communication tool for exchanging text messages or video calls with your Google contacts or make phone calls to just about any. So देखिए, Google Hangout is a communication tool for exchanging text messages or video call with your Google contacts, and you can make the phone calls to just about anyone. आप लोग किसी को भी आपके कॉन्टैक्ट में किसी को भी आप लोग कॉल कर सकते हो. So here it is available on various platforms like mobile devices, common web browsers, and what we can say desktop computers and so on. So ये बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर अवेलेबल है, जैसे कि मोबाइल डिवाइसेस है, कॉमन वेब ब्राउजर्स है एंड डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स है. So we can download the Google Hangouts both for desktop computers and mobile phones also. So for mobile phones, you can simply download and install the Hangouts app from the Google Play Store, obviously. And for desktop computers, firstly download and install the Google Chrome, and then from the Chrome Web Store, search for the Google Hangouts and click it on to the add through the Chrome. So अभी देखिए the steps to signing into Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts में sign in कैसे करना है? So before we should use actual Google Hangouts, we firstly do the sign in option using your Google account. So उसका step 1 क्या होगा? Click or tap on Google Hangouts app. Google Hangouts के आइकॉन को आपको क्लिक और टैप करना है. उसके बाद क्लिक दी नेक्स्ट स्टेप, क्लिक दी sign in button in the enter your email box. वहां पर क्या करें? enter your Gmail और G Suite email address. ठीक है, साइन इन बटन पे क्लिक करें. ठीक है, हम लोग कहते हैं इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. ठीक है, क्लिक द साइन इन बटन एंड in the enter your email box, enter your Gmail or G Suite email address. The next step is it will open the Google Hangouts window and add your email contacts with Hangouts automatically. So it will open the Google Hangout windows and add your email contacts with Hangouts automatically. So in this way what you can do, we can sign into the Google Hangout. So उसके बाद next step जो आती है, that is chatting with the contact. Chatting with the contact. देखिए, to start chatting with contact, first thing what we have to do, firstly you need to press the plus sign or click on the message icon. Just a minute, I will scroll the screen. Then either type the name of your contact or select contact name from the list show. So next step आपको क्या करनी है, either type the name of your contact or contact name from the list shown. Then what we can do, you may also start a group chat by clicking न्यू ग्रुप. सो आपको क्या करना है, अगर ग्रुप चैट चालू करना है तो बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द न्यू ग्रुप आप लोग वो भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज इट विल ओपन a chat window for the selected contact. Then here you can type your text message in the text box at the bottom to send the text to your contact. Then nextly, once done, you can close the chat window and Hangouts windows by clicking the close button. So in this way what you can do, we can chat with a contact. देखिए जस्ट आपको सिंपल स्टेप फॉलोज करनी है. आपको ग्रुप चैट करना है, आप लोग ग्रुप चैट भी कर सकते हो. देन चैट विद दी ओपन विंडो सेपरेटली आप लोग उसको ओपन भी कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली उसको यूज भी कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द स्टेप बाय स्टेप रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हाउ टू चैट विद द contact. Okay, I hope you understood these things. So the next point which we are going to see and going to discuss, that is general rules and etiquettes for chatting. So chatting के लिए general rules and etiquettes क्या होते हैं? So here, while chatting with people using instant messaging, you should know about some of the basic rules and manners, that is etiquettes for chatting. So we will see this one by one. So चलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वन बाय वन जनरल एटिकेट्स एंड रूल्स फॉर चैटिंग देखते हैं. So first one is the short. They start with short greeting. So always begin your conversation with a short greeting. एक शॉर्ट ग्रीटिंग के साथ आपका कन्वर्सेशन जो है ऑलवेज स्टार्ट करें. देन कीप द कन्वर्सेशन शॉर्ट. दैट इज you should not use instant messaging for long conversations. Then third one is use abbreviations sparingly. That is, you should not use abbreviations very often, and even if you need to use an abbreviations, use only the popularly known abbreviations. देखिए जनरली क्या होता है, बहुत सारे ऐसे एब्रिविएशंस होते हैं जो सबके समझ में नहीं आता। सो आपको अगर कुछ एब्रिविएशंस यूज करने हैं तो जनरली आप लोग मोस्ट पॉपुलर नोन एब्रिविएशंस इस्तेमाल करें। Then next one is the avoid caps lock. So in chat, caps lock is the equivalent of shouting, so always avoid it. Then next one is use proper punctuations. So to make your message readable, use proper punctuations. आपका मैसेज जो है वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा रीडेबल रहे तो उसके लिए प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशंस जो है उसका इस्तेमाल ठीक से हमको करना चाहिए। Then sixth one is the be patient. So यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, when someone is typing, he or she may be slow in typing, so be patient and wait for the reply. Then next one etiquette is keep the messages short and sweet. जी हाँ, that is never go for long and emotionally charged conversations. देखिए बड़े और इमोशनली चार्ज मैसेजेस और कन्वर्सेशंस का इस्तेमाल इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग में ना करें। सो कीप द मैसेजेस शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द, that is eighth one is the be aware of the status message. So if someone's status says busy or not available, then don't interrupt by sending messages to them. ठीक है, अगर किसी का स्टेटस आपको बिजी दिख रहा है और नॉट अवेलेबल दिख रहा है तो आप लोग उनको मैसेज सेंड करके इंटरप्ट ना करें, क्योंकि हो सकता है दे आर इन द मिडल ऑफ दिस समथिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द एंड कन्वर्सेशन with a short closing. It is always end your conversation with a short closing like bye or take care. or thank you. And so that is end conversation with a short closing. So these are some of the general etiquettes and rules for chatting. So friends, जो बुक मैंने लेक्चर्स के लिए पढ़ की है, that is information technology by Sumita Arora for class 10, code 402 under NSQL. So हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, देखिए what is introduction about instant messaging, then what is instant messaging, working with an instant messaging client, then general rules and etiquettes for chatting, some common instant messaging applications हम लोगों ने देखे, then key features of instant messaging, that point also we have discussed. So now let us start with today's quiz session. So friends, let us start with today's quiz session. So you will be having total 20 questions and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started with that. So here is question number 1. What is long form of LAN? Options are A, local area network, B, local allocated network, C, light area network, and D, locally allocated network. Your time starts now. So the correct option is A, local area network is the long form of LAN. The next question number 2 is here on your screen. What is long form of MAN? M-A-N. Options are A, metropolitan area network, B, major allocated network, C, multiple area network, and mainly allocated network. Your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is A, metropolitan area network is the long form of MAN. So the next question is here on your screen. What is long form of WAN? Your options are A, wide area network, B, wide allocated network, C, wide area network, and D, widely allocated network. So your time starts now. So correct option is C. Wide area network is the long form of WAN. So the question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following is not an example of instant messaging? Your options are A. Google Talk, B. Google Hangouts, C. WordPress, and D. Facebook Messenger. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is C. WordPress is not an example of instant मैसेज. गूगल टॉक, गूगल हैंगआउट्स और फेसबुक मैसेंजर जो ये सारे इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग के एग्जांपल्स हैं. Then the question number 5 is here on your screen. Which is used for sending text messages online? Your options are A. Instant messaging, B. Email, C. Website, and D. Blog. Your time starts now. So the correct option is instant messaging is used for sending text messages online. Correct option is A. Instant message. The question number 6 is here on your screen. We can do chatting on an IM client. True or false? Your time starts now. Yes, it is obviously true that we can do chatting on an instant messaging client. So correct option is A, true. So we will move towards the question number 7. Networks are useful because A. No one copy your files, B. You only need one printer per network. C, the computer use less electricity. And D, each user of the network can access files more easily. So your time starts now. So correct answer is D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. That's why networks are useful. Then question number 8 is here on your screen. Internet may be termed as an example of options are A, LAN, B, MAN, C, WAN, and D, all of these. So your time starts now. Yes, internet may be termed as an example of LAN, MAN, and WAN. So correct option is D. All of the above can be considered as the example of internet. Then the question number 9 is here on your screen. The act of writing a post for a blog is called A, blogger, B, blog, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, blogging. Yes, act of writing post for a blog is called as the blogging. So the question number 10 is here on your screen. A person who writes a blog is called A, blog, B, blogger, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. So correct option is B, blogger. Question number 11 is here on your screen. Out of the following, which is not the blogging site? A, my blog, B, blogger, C, WordPress, and D, live general. So your time starts now. So time up. Correct answer is A. My blog is not a blogging site. So question number 12 is here on your screen. Which of the following are Government of India's startup initiatives? Your options are A. Startup India, B. Make in India, C. Both A and B and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct option is both A and B. Yes, Startup India and Making India. Both are the Government of India's startup initiatives. So the question number 13 is here on your screen. Successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So options are A, true, B, false. Your time starts now. So, yes, it is true that the successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So, correct option is A, true. Now, we will move towards the question number 14. Entrepreneurship degrades the standard of living. True or false? So, your time starts now. Time up. It is obviously not true that entrepreneurship degrades the standards of living. So correct answer is B, false. So let us move towards the question number 15. Which of the following is not developed by entrepreneurships? A. Society, B. Economy, C. Nation, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है ये सोसाइटी, इकोनॉमी और नेशन तीनों को भी डेवलप करता है. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप? सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव, बिकॉज ये तीनों को डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है. दैट्स व्हाई करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. So the question number 16 is here on your screen. Which of the following is an example of online transaction? A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Your time starts now. So both e-shopping and e-ticketing are options of examples of the online transaction. So correct answer is C. Both A and B are the example of online transactions. So we will move towards the question number 17. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. So your time starts now. So time up. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. तो देखिए पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए, सो उसकी सिक्योरिटी जरूरी होती है, सो दैट्स वाई सिक्योर HTTP यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा. The question number 18 is here on your screen. Which of the following OS does not come under Linux OS? That is A BSD, B Red Hat, C Ubuntu, and D CentOS. So your time starts now. So BSD is the OS, that is operating system, which does not come under Linux OS. Linux ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम देखिए रेड हैट उबंटू एंड सेंटोस जो है लाइनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंडर आते हैं, whereas BSD does not come under it. So correct answer is A, BSD. So the question number 19 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals target are there? Options are A 48, B 169, C 15, and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 169 sustainable development goals targets are there. So the last question number 20 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals are there? A 48, B 169, C 15, and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 17 sustainable development goals. So correct option is D 17. That is 1 cent. So that's all for today's session, friends. So the next feature for the Plus and Iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for Plus and Iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's get it. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अन अकेडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है. सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2020. म्हणजे हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है, इट इज गोइंग टू एंड. सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे हैं. देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is Plus or Iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा. अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक. सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए. इट इज टोटली फ्री. प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, एंड आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर, एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with Unacademy subscription, you will get with one subscription comes the great benefits, like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription, you will be having the lot of confusion. So jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are, I think, just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TDLive, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए है? देखिए, फॉर सीबीएसई क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड सीबीएसई क्लास 10 के लिए. एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं सीबीएसई क्लास 9 के लिए. इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट on the 31st of the August 2021. 31st August को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. And also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस. तो देखिए, मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021. सो वैसे ही सीबीएसई क्लास 10 के लिए, IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और सीबीएसई क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths, it is going to start on 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो obviously class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount. So that is बात की students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic. That is Iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at Iconic, you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. And in Iconic में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ Iconic में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड पीडीएफ्स आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स आल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड, दैट इज TDLive, फॉर फ्लैट 10% ऑफ डिस्काउंट फॉर बोथ, दैट इज ऑन द प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सॉल्यूशंस. यू कैन सेलेक्ट द प्लस और आइकॉनिक बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइसेस. सो उसके प्लान्स कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 फॉर द 3 months, दैट इज 2,500 फॉर per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription, then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription, then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription, then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months, then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now, if you are going for the 24-month subscription, then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months. That is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months, then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द 48 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन, उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 विल बी फॉर पर मंथ। देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा। सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10, 11, 12 का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए, द सेम केस फॉर 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 एंड 40 months। देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा विथ 4,000 पर मंथ। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ। देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000। देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000। 24 months का रहेगा 48,000। 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000। दैट इज 1,729 पर मंथ। सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10, 11 और 12 का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए। 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए। 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए। 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए। 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए। देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए। एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा। And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए। ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, दैट इज 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So student, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर दैट इज प्लस और आइकॉनिक, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट ला रही है। जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट। सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code, that is TDLive, for the educator referral codes. So देखिए Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे। So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Tips, that is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore। देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो ले लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 crore के थे। सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 crore स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर्स। सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो। एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर CBSE क्लासेस 9th and class 10th. सो डेट लिख लीजिए, द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैट इज ऑन August 29th, 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल ऑनलाइन लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही। सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा। यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 minutes फॉर दैट। These questions and you are having the 45 minutes to solve this. The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी। And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TDLive, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10% off. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TNL. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. An Academy, let's crack it.